Okay, so if you watch the 3 videos above, you've seen there's some serious challenges to making money online. And the solution is to take control. So I want to introduce you to the world's first direct selling web development opportunity. So there's going to be 2 very distinctive ways in which you can make money here. The first one, we call it the Profit Hub system. So that is you owning your own hub, where you control every aspect of your business and you do not share your traffic, share your leads, share your money. Everything is about you, for you. See, the uncomfortable truth today about online marketing is you don't own your platform. You don't control your traffic. You don't control your leads. You don't control your message. You're building somebody else's brand, not yours. You're renting your business and they can evict you at any time. Sending your traffic to affiliate pages, doing your marketing solely through social media. You own nothing. Sharing links is building somebody else's empire. How about I show you a way that any link you want to share, you can bring it right inside your own website, right directly inside your domain. No sharing your traffic with anybody ever again. See, there's a better way than what the gurus are telling you. The solution is to own your own Profit Hub system. You own it. A complete website system you own 100%. Nobody can ever take that away from you. There isn't a single top earner in the internet marketing sphere that does not have their own website. It's not optional. It's 100% mandatory. See the little circle in the middle? That's you. Your ownership, your tools. You can convert something that is conversion focused, not just pretty. I made millions online using professionally designed templates. You have the highest converting quality professional design pages on the planet. Hosting included, setup included. Control in your business is a must. Again, like we talked about in the 3 business killers above, you need to control your traffic. You need to control your leads. You control the message. It is your message that you're developing with your prospects. You need to build your brand. And we're going to give you the entire system to control your business 100%. Not only that, we're going to include enterprise tools that high-end companies pay thousands for. We're going to pack your system with a real-world cost of over $3,000 in marketing assets. There is nobody on the planet that will do this for you. Lead generation systems, traffic conversion tools, e-commerce capabilities, built-in affiliate program settings where you can run your own affiliate programs, marketing automation. And because it's your hub that you own, that you run exactly the way you want, you keep all of the money. We're just going to help you build it. It's 100% owned by you, operated by you, and you get 100% of the income. We're going to give you a conversion-focused template for every niche, customizable in mere minutes, designed by marketers. Okay, not pretty pages, but professional pages, conversion-focused, designed by real marketing professionals. And our commitment to you is to provide 10x the value of anybody else. One of the things you're going to be able to copy with your system is a value proposition that will absolutely destroy your competition. So what am I talking about? Well, when we deliver your Profit Hub system that's custom made for you, we're going to put so much value in it, we're going to cram it with 10x value. So what am I talking about? Well, our Profit Engine enterprise product has over $3,000 worth of products built in. The actual, factual retail price. That if you rebuilt it, it would cost you more than $3,000 for what we're going to put in there. But not only are we going to give you the best system on the planet, but we are going to cut the cost so low it would chop 90% of the cost right off the bat. Plus, we're going to give you an extra income opportunity. Remember at the beginning, I told you that we're going to allow you to be part of the first ever direct selling opportunity in the web development industry. If every one of your prospects is trying to make money online, and if the number one tool required to make money online is a website, then you have the product for them. If the number two tool to make money is an email CRM, we have that built into this tool. Do you understand? Oh, wait, you got the number one tool and you got the number two tool? And we're going to top it off with about 3,000 in total tools. So when you are out there trying to make money online, what should you be selling? Well, how about the things that the people absolutely positively need the most? They need a website. It's not optional. They need a messaging machine. Not optional. You'll be able to give them an SMS machine, an email machine. Wow, wow, wow. And best of all, you'll be able to give them all of these things for a far lower cost than any other competitor